What's going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, the girl that hates when he does that.
Yes, I know. Anyways, let's talk about the Keto Savage Kitchen for a second, all right? So, we have, over the years, I mean, like, when you think of keto, you think of diet, you think of food, you think of nutrition, you think of recipes. Keto recipes are a dime a dozen. There's literally a million keto cookbooks and a million keto recipe blogs, and we have no desire whatsoever to be in that space at all, because there's other people that are actual chefs that can cook a meal a heck of a lot better.
Way better than us.
Than we could cook a meal. However, our forte is in the keto performance realm, and oftentimes there is a hole, because what's best from a keto performance standpoint is not always what you see on the typical keto recipe blogs and cookbooks.
It's a lot harder to meal prep and things like that.
Especially, like meal prep, just efficiency.
Macro tracking.
Getting the most micronutrient, energy-dense foods in the simplest form possible. That's oftentimes not where professional chefs' heads are at when they're making recipes.
Mm-hmm.
So, in order to have a fully comprehensive, all-you-need, one-stop shop spot for all of your nutritional and performance needs, we are firing up the Keto Savage Kitchen again with a focus on performance-based nutrition specifically. Make sense?
Totally makes sense.
Now, what we're super excited about is the fact that we actually have a kitchen to film the Keto Savage Kitchen. So if you can recall, like way back in the day when we were living in that little townhouse in Fayetteville, Arkansas, our kitchen was like against the wall, and we were filming against like this much space. It just wasn't good. The quality was terrible, the audio was terrible, the picture was terrible. And then
we had like a green screen that had an X in the middle with like knives, and then it looked like bunny ears on anyone who stood in the middle.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been a good go with all of those.
It's been pretty crazy. But we have a house now, and we have a legit kitchen now, so that's a plus. So that said, I'm redoing the Keto Savage website, and it's going to have a totally revamped Keto Savage Kitchen section that has detailed recipes, macro breakdown, ingredient lists, videos, everything you need. Plus, we have the great and powerful Chip here filming all this stuff. So he's taking a whole professional quality, studio quality look and approach to the recipes that we will prep. So not only will the recipes be easy, nutritious, and delicious, they'll also be well done. So you can actually be excited about watching the video content. So we're excited about it, to say the least. And all of this should be dropping in the very near future, like within the month. And then we're going to be consistent about uploading recipes on a bi-weekly basis, likely after it goes live. So it's going to be just steady, constant, quality content for y'all from a performance standpoint when it comes to the nutrition.
Yep, we're super excited about it.
Super excited about it. So we'll see you when it all goes live at KetoSavage.com.